Are you searching art class for your child? Let me help you with 6 important steps to find the right art class for your child. Number 1, you need to understand your child interest area in the art. Like example, if you see your child drawings more than like 10 or 20, then you'll be able to find that what type of style, what type of things they always keep sketching it. Like example, or they always sketching characters like cartoon characters, manga characters, anime characters, this kind of character styles. Or maybe they keep sketching it more into landscape, natural stuff, those all the areas. Or maybe they will be sketching it always like the realistic face and all the things. So each one is the different area in the art. First you need to understand which area your child is having more interest, the natural talent is stick to that particular areas, correct? First you need to understand that. Based on that, if you can able to understand, like example, if your child always sketching on character sketching, because I am teaching character sketching, that's what I'm taking this example, okay? Then you need to take 10-20 photocopy of your child work. That's one step, step one. Then you need to take the next step to find right class for the child based on the talent. Yes, if your child is always sketching characters, but if you are trying to put them into the realistic drawings class, or is some landscape drawing, normal art classes, the child might not feel more comfort, or they don't feel they're learning something, or they're achieving something. Because if the child is sketching more characters, then they need to join character sketching class so that they can able to understand and see all the techniques, methods, the process that makes them more excited, that makes them more happy. They also will give a lot of satisfaction that they're learning something is belongs to their interest areas, they're improving on their work. That works. It's like the person is interested on maths. Yeah, a lot of people are don't like the maths, but still there are a lot of kids are getting good marks in the maths, correct? But if you're putting them into the something different class, how this works? Same things. You have to understand your child interest areas. Based on that, you have to help them to join the right class. Next, challenging. Understanding is easy. We also got the clarity. We have to help them to join the right class. Okay, how to find the right classes? Very important. Based on the skill, yes, but the key part is you need to see the person who is to teach that particular skill to your child, the person teaching skill, and same time the person technical skill, that art skill in that particular areas. So there are two different things. Somebody is really good at that particular art, but they don't know how to teach it step by step to the beginners, or the people who learn all the things from themselves, correct? Child, correct? They don't know how to teach. So you need to understand that. How to understand that? You can ask them demo classes, or else you can sit with one live classes or something. Mostly people don't allow the live classes nowadays, but you can ask the demo class. If demo class is there, then you can able to understand. Even the demo class is not available, you can talk to the students, okay, the teacher is teaching, then you can learn it. Mostly you will get the demo class. Okay, that's how you will be understanding the teacher who's teaching the technical things and the teach skills to the child. It's very important, because this is the one time effort. One time you put effort, you find a right teacher for your child based on the talent areas. The child will learn it very faster. The child no need to spend so many years to learn to become better at that particular areas. Okay, otherwise you will be keep changing the classes, keep changing the teachers. Okay, you will find some other different reasons. You never understand the real problem. Okay, this is the second. Third one, how the child need to learn and what works. Which child will learn much better? Even though the child have interest, even though the teacher is good, some people will learn it faster, some people will learn it taking more time. Why that will happen? We need to understand this. It's not like some people are learning it fast. If a child is maybe like your child or someone child is not learning it quicker, then it's not about the child fault or the teacher fault. You need to understand the other truth. What is that? The child, whoever have this sketching interest areas, these people, this, as I said, it's a creative energy flow, correct? So they start learning it all the things from themselves by watching YouTube videos, by watching like some tutorials, or seeing some friends how they're doing it. Like this, that the visualization skill is very high. And same time, they'll keep watching a lot of contents from here and there, here and there. They know everything by visually, but they don't know how to create those lines, sketches on the sketchbox. So already they are into this particular challenge areas. When you put them into any particular class, especially when they'll attend the 3rd class, 4th class, 5th class, 6th class, number of class, first 2 classes, okay, those classes, they will feel little down. That's because of whatever they learn, whatever they know, correct, they need to let it go that, and they need to learn the real process, the real method, the real way of learning it, the structured way of learning process. This is not only my class, it's any classes, okay. So that time they'll feel down. That is the time, as a parent or otherwise for as a teacher, everybody, we should make sure the child consistently attend at least for 10-15 classes. Why? What will happen? They feel little down, okay, because they're touching the new process, new methods. So they become a beginner in that particular areas. They will start doing it, correct? That time they'll go down. Then after that they'll pick it, because their interest is sketching. They will pick it, all the techniques, all the methods 200%. In that there is no doubt. But the only one black is sometimes people will give up. They'll find some reason. They'll give up. This is the very important point what I told. That is the time we have to make sure they need to attend the class regularly. After attending like 10-15 classes, they will start learning it, the new method, new process from this particular teacher, experienced person, and they'll start sketching it. So basically, even though the teacher take 10 years to achieve certain level of quality, the student will reach the same level of qualities less than a year. This is the open secret, but very few people will understand this. Whether if the student understand, the parents don't understand. Otherwise, if these both people understand, the teacher might not understand. So when the student, parents and the teacher will understand this process, the learning will become more easy and more joy. Not only that, every child have their own art style on this particular areas, whatever they're doing it, correct? That art style will be discovered only through consistently learning one process or one methods. Okay, if the students keep learning it from different techniques, different methods, from all over content from YouTube, here and there and all the things, the student always will be a student. He never become a creator. Always be a fan of watching this and trying and getting some result and feeling like good, but going here, there is no proper structured things which will take the student from 0 to 10 or A to Z. Okay, that's what you need, really structured way of learning. And same time, the teacher technical skills and the teaching skill is important. Third one, that is the primary. The first one is the student interest need to be addressed. Based on that, the course need to be selected. Okay, online class, offline class, that is not at all the problem. Okay, the student can study in online, the student can study offline, no problem. Everything is good. Okay, we shouldn't get disconnect or else block the students because of this technology, because of the face-to-face learning, those kind of stuff. And one more point also, like it's not about in the beginner intermediate level, you're not required one-to-one teaching, otherwise like small level of teaching, especially for this particular art. Yeah, even this batch is 10 people is there, or 10 million people are there, 100 people are there, that's not the problem. So far, student interest, the teacher skill, teaching method, okay, and consistency. If three things are there, then definitely the person will learn it more faster, quicker. Okay, if you are searching character sketching class for your child, because if your child always sketching more characters, okay, you want to help them, then you are took the right decision to help the child to learn these particular things. I'll tell you why. It is the important secrets. I'm telling it in the end. I know this. Number one, when the child keep putting lot of effort and learning or creating stuff on this particular art areas, automatically they're developing their patience, their focus, okay, their creativity skills. These three things boost their individuality. Everyone have the individual nature, individual skills and individual behaviors and all the things, correct? These three things will boost that individual power which they have inside. That push to explore more on their education, life, work and all the things. So that makes them to stand out in any crowd. So that makes the person more unique and more successful. The entire successful uniqueness always will lying down on small good habits. Okay, sketching, this all the things we'll call it like hobby. When the person is keep spending some time on this hobby, this will become a habit of doing this particular things. The more and more they're trying to keep these particular things the long time, automatically, as I said, this is all the high energy we have, how to focus, how to be patient, how to be creative, correct? So these things automatically will be practice, will be grown. It's not like switch, correct? One time you learn it, after that this will be the lifetime. No, it's not like this, correct? This need to be consistently practiced. Where you will practice, how you will do it? Through your art. It's very easy. Okay. If you are helping your child to learn character sketching, I am offering 1 hour free character sketching mastery course, free demo class. The link is given in the bio areas in the descriptions. You can find it somewhere in the description areas or comment box areas in the about sections. Click the link and join the demo class so that you can able to understand what is character sketching method, principles and all the things, how this will help full for you to be more better on these particular things, so that you can able to gain the benefit of being more focused, being more patient and being more creative persons and whatever you do. Okay, click the link below and join the free demo class. I'll see you online. When you're joining the demo class, kindly join with your sketchbook and pencil so that you can able to sketch with me my character sketching methods and other all the things.